In this video we going to review Vitamix A3500 Smart Blender. This is one of the most popular and best smart blender you can buy right now. We made this review based on its performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, we hope this video will help you to decide is it worthy for you or not. We also mention product link in description below for check availability and updated prices. Let's talk about Vitamix A3500 Smart Blender. This machine excelled in every one of our kitchen appliances lab tests, easily grinding coffee beans and whirling up milkshakes and margs in seconds. With pro-quality precision and control, it can make everything from perfectly smooth nut butters to creamy soups and more. The ultra-powerful motor has 10 variable speed settings, and its heavy-duty base won't easily shift on the counter when in use. The controls are intuitive and fuss-free. Make smoothies with the press of a button. Our program settings offer walk-away convenience and consistent results for your favorite blends. This blender is smart. The motor base automatically recognizes your container size and adjusts program settings and maximum blend times. Just blend warm water and a drop of dish soap at your machine's highest speed, and watch it self-clean in 60 seconds, no disassembly required. Every angle of our patented container is designed to fold ingredients back to the blades for faster, smoother blends reading the Vitamix Vortex. For details, let's watch more.